Here's something people rarely think about. Money problems don't suddenly appear overnight. They start quietly, with small habits, small decisions, small delays. You ignore a bill. You delay saving. You swipe without thinking. You say, "I'll fix it later." And slowly, without realizing it, your finances start controlling your life. Stress increases. Confidence drops. Options become limited. Today, I'm going to show you the clear warning signs that your money needs attention so you can take control before things get worse. Welcome to Smart Money Insights Lab. Here we talk about real money life. No pressure, no fake promises, no complicated words. Just simple advice you can actually use. If you want to feel calmer and more confident about your money, make sure you're subscribed. Let's start with the first sign. You don't really know how much money you have. You check your account only when you have to, before paying a bill, before buying something, before swiping your card. Sometimes you're scared to check. You think, let me just enjoy today. I'll check later. But later becomes stress. If you're always unsure about your balance, that's the first sign you need better money control. Now, let's look at the second sign. The moment you get paid, it's already planned. Rent, bills, food, subscriptions, and suddenly, it's gone. You're waiting for the next paycheck again. No savings, no backup, no breathing room. If missing one paycheck would seriously hurt you, that's the second sign. Here comes the third sign. You don't like checking where your money goes. No bank statements, no spending apps, no reviews. Because it feels uncomfortable. Why did I spend so much on food? How did this add up? So you avoid it. Avoiding your money doesn't fix problems. It makes them bigger. That's the third sign. Let's move to the fourth sign. You use credit cards for normal life. Groceries, fuel, phone bills, small shopping. Not for rewards, but because you're short on cash. Then the bill comes. Interest grows. Stress grows. If credit is helping you survive instead of grow, that's the fourth sign. Now, the fifth sign is emotional. You feel nervous about money. Bills stress you. Expenses worry you. Money keeps you awake at night. You're always thinking about it. If money controls your peace of mind, that's the fifth sign. Here is the sixth sign. You have no emergency fund, no backup. When something breaks, when bills increase, when emergencies happen, you panic. You borrow. You swipe. You struggle. No savings means no safety. That's the sixth sign. Let's talk about the seventh sign. You shop when you're emotional, when you're tired, when you're sad, when you're stressed, when you're bored. You tell yourself, I deserve this. It feels good for a moment. Then comes regret. If shopping is your stress medicine, that's the seventh sign. Now, the eighth sign. You have no clear plan, no savings goal, no investment goal, no future target. Money comes in, money goes out, with no direction. Without goals, money disappears. That's the eighth sign. And finally, the ninth sign. You keep delaying. Next month, I'll budget. Next year, I'll save. Soon, I'll start. But soon never comes. Time passes. Nothing changes. Delaying money habits is dangerous. That's the ninth sign. Now listen carefully. If you saw yourself in these signs, that's not
means
failure.
you're ready to grow.
That's awareness.
Here's an easy place
And
to
awareness is power.
begin. No pressure.
Just do this. Track your spending for 30 days. Write everything down. Notice patterns. Learn from it. Awareness changes everything. Managing money isn't about being perfect. It's about being aware. Being consistent. Being patient. Small daily habits create big results. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Smart Money Insights Lab, and comment below which sign did you relate to the most. I'll see you in the next video.